All right, so you guys must have came across this guy's Instagram videos where he basically, changes the face of himself into like some random celebrity videos, maybe some athletes. Like, let's just take a look at this a reference video, for example. So these videos are going really, really viral nowadays. These are really trendy, which means now you can go ahead and create any AI influencer, any celebrity, and you can basically, motion control them with your own action while having your background consistent. So yeah, this is literally insane how accurate and how perfect the results are, you guys, right? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these kind of videos very, very easily without prompting, without doing anything. And, this would be just a one-step process. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and search over here, Higgsfield Motion Control. And you need to go ahead and select the first option from here, motion control inside of Higgsfield. And it's going to help you land into this page where now we can see motion control inside of Higgsfield. And over here, you need to input your video. So your video duration could be 3 to 30 seconds. So this video you have to create of yourself, or you can go ahead and select any video from the Higgsfield library and you can simply create your own versions. Like, let's just say I go ahead and select this video of a person who is just talking and I want to go ahead and change this person into some celebrity, you guys, right? So yeah, then you need to go ahead and select any celebrity which is your favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and select Walter White from Breaking Bad because that is my, one of the most favorite season. Like, no surprises, that's everybody's favorite season. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this image, simply save that, come back to Higgsfield and simply paste your image into your character section right over here just beside the video. Okay, just like that. And then you need to make sure you have your selected model as Kling 3.0 motion control. Quality is going to go ahead and select the quality as 720, or you can do 1080p as well. And then it's going to ask you for the scene control mode. So that is really important. So it says choose whether the background should come from the character image or the motion video. So we want the background to be the same as the the video. So I'm going to go ahead and select video, or you want the background, let's just say if you want that to be from the image, so you can select the image, but I'm be choosing video from here. And then simply need to go ahead and click on generate. And then just within few minutes, it's going to go ahead and generate the video for you. Like, take a look at this. This was a reference image, like, the background, like take a look at the background. And now it has basically created this kind of video for you where now we also have the audio, like, in the video as well.
Walk from the back to the front.
So yeah, this is the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these kind of motion control videos. Like, I've also created this video as well, which was basically of my background. And take a look at how beautifully it has kept the facial features. Like, the consistency is absolutely insane. And from here, if you want to go ahead and create edit of this video just like this. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and download this, come to any video editor of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and choose CapCut in this case. Simply need to go ahead and input your video over here, input your audio from the Instagram reel, simply paste that to your timeline right over here. And then, just go ahead and do some quick like cuts, okay? Like quick cuts, like just like that. Then we have this cut, then we have this cut. So, just quick cuts will do the job for you. And then simply need to go ahead and export that. And once it's done, this is how your final output is going to look like, you guys, okay? So there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these kind of face swap, like motion control. You can say celebrity videos, or you can choose any celebrity of your choice. So yeah. That was the easiest method. You can do that inside of Higgsfield AI very, very easily. So yeah, that's it for today with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, kindly drop those down in the comment section and I'll review them and answer them to you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.